Okay, 68 Hemi fans, sitting before you is a real deal 68 Hearst Superstock Hemi Barracuda. This is called a BO car. The darts were the LO cars. You were looking about 75 each. The factory would make these released right from the factory with fiberglass front fenders, which are painted black. The rest of the metal body is in primer. And what you have is from the factory a Cross Ram race Hemi put right into these cars, ready for the racetrack. These were not street legal. They had stickers and addendums showing that these were not meant for the street. And take a look, you got, it doesn't look quite like a pie crust, but that's a similar style tire that you would get from the factory. These cars were doing almost 9 seconds. They were doing low 10s. And they're getting into the 7 and 8s now with all the modern technology. But for the time, these LO and BO cars, these factory Hemi race cars, were the SHIT. That's right, they were the shit back then.
Likes to work under his car, be comfortable and sleep.
Yeah.
237.
Just got signed today by Don Garlis. Which, speaking of which, there's Don's garage right there. He's already closed up for the day and gone. And what you've got is a real deal, one of the rare 68. Here's a photo of the Dodge Dart counterparts. So Chrysler took their smallest cars, the Dart and the Barracuda, and put Cross Ram Hemis in them and sanctioned them for racing. And again, you're looking about 75 or 80 units each. They're the LOs for the Dart and the BOs for Barracuda. The O represents that it has Cross Ram Racing Hemi for drag racing only. So there you have it. We are here and it's wonderful. And this is Gau's Garage from 2024. Big Daddy Don Garlitz. It doesn't get better than that for you Mopar people. Thank you much.